So this is the Miele vacuum, and the model number is S4782. This is the model that has a small remote on the handle from where you can turn it on, off, as well as increase or decrease the intensity. So I used to enjoy that feature so that I don't need to reach the vacuum every time to control it. So today it stopped working, so I did not know what it was. I tried to open this up and then see if there is any cable connecting, which might have been disconnected, but looks like there is no cable going from this remote to the vacuum, which means that there is a remote on it. So this is exactly a remote. There is no connection. So I thought if it is a remote, then maybe it's a battery issue. So turns out it is a battery issue, and all you need to do is there is a small groove here, if you see under this. You just need to put a screwdriver on in it, and then just pry it up like this. And please be careful, don't hurt yourself doing that, because it's really tight. I tried to open it with my finger, it didn't work, so I had to get the screwdriver. And now when you open it, you have a CR2032 battery in it, standard issue, 3 volts. And once I put it in, and it started working again. So you see, so that is all. So if your remote is not working, it might be the battery. You just need to pry this out like this and then change the battery. And once the battery is in, it starts working again.